In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your storage with Google Drive. Let's get started by diving right into the essentials. The first thing you'll want to do is open Google Drive and log into your account. This is the hub where all your files are stored, so having easy access to it is crucial. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to navigate through your files, view your recent documents, and perform various management tasks. Next, let's head over to Google Drive Storage. When you access your storage settings, you'll be presented with a clear breakdown showing how your space is currently allocated. This information is divided among Google Drive for files like folders, zips, videos, and PDFs, Gmail for emails, and attachments with large files, and Google Photos for any photos and videos you've stored in their original quality. This breakdown is particularly useful because it allows you to quickly identify which files are taking up the most space. Consequently, you can focus your efforts on targeting those significant space hogs first, rather than getting sidetracked by smaller files that don't impact storage as heavily. With a better understanding of how your storage is being used, it's time to drill down into finding and deleting those large files you no longer need. When you navigate to your drive's quota, the files will automatically be sorted by size, placing the largest files at the top of the list. This makes it incredibly efficient to pinpoint the files that you could potentially offload. You'll want to select any large files that you don't need to keep anymore. To delete them, simply right-click on the files and choose Remove. Don't forget, files you remove will be moved to the trash, but they aren't permanently deleted until you empty the trash, so make sure to do that as a final step to actually free up space. As a useful tip, videos, zips, and old backups tend to consume a lot of storage space. Focusing on these types of files will often yield the biggest gains in freeing up room quickly. By regularly managing your storage this way, you can maintain a lean, efficient workspace that supports your needs without any hitches or storage concerns. And there you have it, a straightforward method for keeping your Google Drive organized and optimized. By regularly reviewing the breakdown, finding and removing unnecessary large files, you'll ensure your digital space remains clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your Google Drive effectively.